So this question, you see 1 plus x by 2. Here 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. It's looking like different. Power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0. 4 power 3, 3 power 2, 2 power 1 means 1 power 0. So looking like different. So what I am doing, I am going to form un, but neglecting the first term. Here only I'll consider it is n factorial because our nth term will start from 1, n is equals to 1 to infinity. That is why we must neglect the first term. Here we should mention here in this bracket, that is we are neglecting the first term by neglecting first term. We're forming the series by neglecting the first term. So now un we got it. Un plus 1 we can do, which is equals to every n is replaced with n plus 1, that is factorial as it is, and every x as it is, n is replaced with n plus 1 divided by n is replaced with n plus 1, so together becomes n plus 2 and raised to the power of n plus 1. This is un plus 1. We can go for un by un plus 1, which is equals to n factorial x power n by n plus 1 raised to the power of n multiplied by second fraction will become reverse, n plus 2 raised to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. X power n plus 1 can be split here like this, because every time we are cancelling this and this. Now next, x step will be un by un plus 1 is equals to factorial as it is divided by n plus 1 whole power n is also as it is multiplied by n plus 2 raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by this one. We can open it. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial into 1 by x. This one plus 1 minus 1 cancelling with n factorial cancelling with this n factorial. Now we merge these two. This is our equal power should be added. What happens is un by un plus 1 is equal to, okay, 1 by x. Here I'll write it. And now n plus 2 raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Bases are equal, power should be added. It is n plus. Take it as equation number 1. Now take it n common and cancel. Because when test field, now here we have to put that value. Un by un plus 1 is equals to 1 by x. Take it n common means n power n will come outside. 1 plus 2 by n raised to the power of, we'll do one thing. What's occurring here? Like that we'll do. raised to the power of n. Same story here. 1 plus 1 by and whole to the power of, write it clearly. And this bracket. Now it is convenient to cancel. This one cancel. So after this step, we have to take log on both sides. Not log, limit. Limit n tends to infinity. U1 by U1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by x. Anyhow, it is a constant already outside. Limit n tends to infinity. Okay. 1 plus 2 by n raised to the power of n plus 1. Now denominator will be अलग कर देंगे. 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power of n. Now look at this is also equal to 1 by x. Limit n tends to infinity. But this time we don't have the formula. अगर power n है तो अपने पास formula है. तो क्या करेंगे? Split कर देंगे सीधा सीधा. ऐसे split करेंगे. 1 plus 2 by n raised to the power of n is one term. 1 plus 2 by n raised to the power of 1, which is unable to, no need to write. 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n into 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of 1. I am not writing. As applying the limit, this numerator value becomes e into 1, e, actually e square into 1. So finally, get like this, 1 by x. This is e square by e. 1 square with this cancel. Answer is e by x. Now again, what do you say? E involves means we say it is, we have to apply logarithm test by ratio test by ratio test. If e by x greater than 1, which implies x by e less than 1, which implies x is less than e, then conversion. Another point of this statement, less than 1, reciprocal x by e greater than 1, which implies x is greater than e, cross multiply, then we say it is valid. So one more point, e by x is equals to 1, implies e is equal to x, or x is equal to e test x. Test x. So we put this x is equal to e here in this equation. X replaced to e लगाना, right? So when x is equal to e, what happened to this equation number 1? Let's see in the next page here. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 1 by e n plus 2 by n plus 1 raised to the power of n. Next step में next page. un by un plus 1 is equals to n plus 2 by n plus 1. Okay, so whole to the power of n plus 1 into 1 by x is nothing but 1 by e. Okay, अब यहाँ से जो स्टेप मैं कर रहा हूँ, आई थिंक मैं कोई काम करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं अलग कलर से लिखता हूँ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को, क्योंकि वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. दिस इज इक्वल टू n plus 2. I want to write like this, n plus 1 plus 1, and this denominator value will distribute both of them. इधर भी डिवाइड करो, इधर भी डिवाइड. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. Why? Because these two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. So it becomes 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1 into 1 by e. I'm taking log on both sides. Log of un by un plus 1 is equals to log of 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 raised to the power of n plus 1 into 1 by e. So this log will distribute both sides. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Log a is 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1 log a plus log b. Log b is log of 1 by e. Okay. Same formula को apply करना है. Log x to the power of n is n log x, that is n plus 1 log of 1 plus n plus 1 plus log 1 by e can be written as e power minus 1. अब इसके अंदर ये जो टर्म है इसके अंदर वही अपना पुराना वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे लॉग का. मैं काम करता हूँ तो उसको मेंशन करके बता, अगर वो सब क्या हो तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, वो सब अप्लाई करेंगे. This one log of 1 plus 1 by n. Already we used for the previously two problems. Formula is 1 by n minus 1 by 2 n square plus 3 by 1 n power 3 minus 1 by 4 n power 4. Two terms are also enough, but formula लिख रहे बोलते पूरा डिटेल में लिखना. In here where the difference is n plus 1 is there, तो जहाँ भी n है वहाँ n plus 1 आता है, बस उतना ही फर्क है. Log of un by un plus 1 is equals to n plus 1 will be there outside. Let it be, keep it. First term is 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 whole square. ये पूरी टेक्स्ट बुक में सिर्फ 3 प्रॉब्लम ही है लॉग टेक्स्ट बुक आया तो इसमें से यार only 3 problems we have. Minus and so on. The bracket will close and log x to the power of n log x फिर इसको भी minus outside लाके log e
Sir,
लिखेंगे.
are there
Yes,
sir are there high chances for this? Yes, sir.
yes. N plus 1 cancel 1 minus n plus 1 square term cancel 1 by 2 into n plus 1. N plus 1 will go this side plus 1 by 3 into n plus 1 whole square and so on, minus and so on, and minus log e value is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Multiplying with n log of un by un. 3 प्रॉब्लम है, अच्छे से पेपर्स पे लिखे अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लो बस. माइनस मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ n कर देते हैं. इन मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर 2 into डिनोमिनेटर में सेम कॉमन भी लगेगा 1 plus 1 plus multiplying with numerator denominator taking n square common 1 plus 1 by n whole square and so on. So this and this cancel This and square cancel. Now applying limit. Limit n tends to infinity. N times log of un by un plus is equals to limit n tends to infinity. Open the bracket minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 by 3 n plus 1 by n whole square. So wherever 1 by n form is there becomes 0. This is 0, 1 by n, this is 0. So finally we get our answer is minus 1 by 2, which is less than 1. So by logarithmic test, series divergent because less than 1. Final statement. Hence, given series convergent if convergent if क्या बोले थे previous line में x is less than e, divergent if x is greater than में भी है और equal to. This is the last problem of this topic. We have only 3 problems in this topic logarithmic test पे और ये यूनिट भी आपका खत्म हो गया है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको सेकेंड यूनिट डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस का फर्स्ट टॉपिक रूल्स थ्योरम वो पढ़ाता हूँ. सेकेंड यूनिट का सिलेबस देख लो आप. रोल्स थ्योरम, लैग्रेंज थ्योरम, कॉचीज थ्योरम, टेलर्स थ्योरम. One part of this unit. Second part is radius of curvature, center of curvature, circle of curvature. This is the second topic. Involute and envelope. Second unit का syllabus है. Second unit will be continuing for the next sessions. तो ये आपका फर्स्ट यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गया सक्सेसफुल. लॉगरिथमिक टेस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, अच्छे से देख लीजिए आप. कहीं भी अगर डाउट हो तो फिर मुझे बोलिए. स्टार्टिंग से देख लो एक बार. फर्स्ट टर्म को नेग्लेक्ट करके यूएन बना रहे, यूएन प्लस 1, यूएन बाई यूएन प्लस 1 and applying the limit. We are getting answer is e. E involved means we have to go for logarithmic test. So then taking log on both sides, multiplying with n, get your answer. 3 steps, and this pink color formula is important for logarithmic test. We use this formula in all the 3 projects. So this is the unit number 1 successfully completed. Tomorrow we have to start second unit. Okay, please note that no evening class today. Okay, tomorrow we have to go for unit number 2. Same morning time, I give you the message that we have to ready for the class. Hope it is clear everything.
Sir, please provide me with some set of questions of Unit 1.
Unit 1 is completed. Okay, I'll send you the PDF. Unit 1 की PDF
Yes, sir.
उसमें और भी कुछ है तो आप अच्छे से देख लो. अभी आपको मैं सेंड करूँ, अभी करो.
Okay, sir.
ये यूनिट में जो अभी आप PDF अभी आपको मैं भेज रहा हूँ, रेशो टेस्ट से स्टार्ट होगा. ये 48 पेजेस का
Okay, sir.
PDF है. This is more than enough for this unit.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, same time, we start discussing the second unit, differential calculus. Going on.
Anytime is fine. Sir.
Hmm? Time.
Anytime is fine, sir.
Holidays, already you got the holidays. Got it, the PDF?
No, sir, it's loading. Yes, sir, got it.
48 pages PDF. DL number ratio test. Problems are given. So many questions I did. In each and every topic I did, I think more than five problems. 5, 6 problem in each topic. Maximum. It's more than enough for this discussion. Everything is covered here.
Okay, sir.
Even logarithmic test problem what we have done today is also there. Cauchy Gentry test maximum questions is there. Okay, check कर लो आप अच्छे से देख लो कहीं अगर आपको कहीं डाउट हो. If any question you want me to discuss, then I'm ready for the discussion tomorrow. Otherwise, if you have no problem, then we can go for second unit directly. Limit comparison
Sir,
test.
we will start second unit, sir. I will solve the sums. If I'm stuck somewhere, if I'm not understanding, then I will ask the doubts.
हाँ, no problem. Last page में past papers में भी मैं लिख के दे दिया. Past papers के questions.
Okay, sir.
Last page. Everything is covered. Okay, this unit number 1 is successfully completed. We can go move on to the second unit next class. Right? We'll end up this meeting.
Yes, sir.